Come on, greet for me. Come here. Okay, you guys, so Mama B is home and I'm home with my beautiful children. So let me go and prepare beans. We've actually parboiled the beans, yeah, already. Spaghetti for you. Bring oil. You didn't find the other one. Bring that one. Let's use that one. Yes. Don't mind. Alright, you guys. So, what's up? You're welcome back to our kitchen.
Yes.
So, you guys, the way I actually love to cook my beans, yeah, I love the beans to be very soft. Father was just struggling me. She doesn't want to stay. Just want me to carry her, and now I'm busy. So I love my beans to be very soft. You know all those that's a word they used to sell in Lagos. That's how I love my beans to be very soft. So I actually cook the beans outside using charcoal, so the fire could be much, and so it could get soft really quick.
You use gas, your gas will finish you.
Yeah, like if I use gas, I'll cook it for like how many hours? Yeah, and if I use electric stove, it will not be very soft like that. So my pepper is ready, my crayfish, and of course I'll finish cutting my onion. Literally, that's just it, you guys. And Maggi and salt. Basically fry my oil and then turn it inside my beans. Yeah, it's not.
Just the boiling parts.
Yeah, it's just the boiling parts that you have to wait for salt to get long, you know.
Yeah, for people that like it some like their own strong.
You're not serious. Who likes being strong? If you eat strong beans, you purge. Because beans is not soft, you understand? So it might upset your stomach. So that's why you have to make sure that your beans is very soft. Yeah? So I'm gonna bleach my oil for a little while. Let me show you. I'm gonna bleach it for a little while. Not too much, but just a little, and then I'll be putting everything in here.
I tell you, I dreamt about it. This is I see my mouth. I want to go price. I go and give passport.
So you guys, for me, I do not actually want my onion to get done too much. So I'm gonna be putting my crayfish. How many crayfish did you blend? Half the leather. You know it's so you guys, I'm actually not gonna be putting too much of pepper since children are going to be eating it, like Bernice and Beverly. So not too much of pepper will be put in here. Yeah, basically. I'm putting in my crushed season Maggi, and then I put it. No. Wait. Yeah. So I let it cook for a little while. Otwa kachine kai di man. Agidi. Otwa kachine kai di man. There's a church here. That's what they're singing.
That time I traveled, I would have food. What did you go and to survive before you come back?
When was that?
That time I traveled to you
For
wedding.
okay, for UK's wedding. You were exhausted the food I cooked. There was food in the kitchen.
There
You
was
did not want to cook.
No, there was food.
There was food inside the fridge.
And there was that soup that I cooked that they refused to eat it. So it was me and Auntie Abigail that finished it. But they ate it though. But they were still complaining while eating it. It was red oil and rice that we ate and wait for it to come back. For somebody to enter inside the kitchen.
That's the problem.
They say yes,
People do not want to enter inside the kitchen and
go and boil rice. I don't care for the rice, go and boil rice. What do you want to eat and eat it? You don't know. We have activity on Saturday. Are you following me? There's rice and chicken.
it seems Bernice is up. No, she's not. Kilo of chicken. 1 kilo of chicken is 3.5 already.
Okay.
So is that what you are using?
Yes. For how many people? Just young women and young men. The young women is up to 10. Young men is working up to 8.
So you guys, this is my beans without oil. It looks yummy already. And I needed much oil because my husband loves plenty oil inside beans. Alright you guys, so my beans is ready. Alright. See how yummy this looks. Soft with plenty oil. That's how I love my beans. And plus my husband taught me how to cook it this way though. You know, I started eating beans when I got married to Mazi because he loves beans. So it's ready. Let's dish. So you guys, my beans is ready and my baba is back.
Hi guys, I'm back.
Yes, so this is how it looks like.
Oh no!
Oh no! Very soft. And I'm doing ewa, ati bread, ati bready. Let me speak it the way Yoruba people used to speak it. Beans and bread. Yeah, beans and bread.
Yeah, one this. Yeah, one this.
Ewa, ati bread.
Yeah, one this.
I wash my hair. I smell it.
Touched it. Smelling nice.
My husband is a bad mouther. This guy and just frustrate someone. He has the mind to tell me that my hair was smelling.
Not smell, oozy. So there's a difference between smell and ooze.
He has the mind to tell me my hair was oozing.
Because smell is a bit controllable, but oozing, that one can give somebody automatic malaria.
It's the sweat.
This is very soft.
Yeah, I made it very, very soft.
Should I like this baby? I should take her.
But she likes to sleep on your body now.
Oh, are you sure?
She's very comfortable.
Okay. I had sprouts.
Give me a spoon. Yeah. Wow. I love this. Don't you have to clap for me. But I brought spoon for soup now. This kind of spoon that we used to. Those of us that went to boarding school, you know what I'm talking about.
I didn't put too much pepper.
This is in trouble.
Anytime I cook something that my husband likes, forget it. Just forget that food.
I love this so much. I found out that most of the things I don't really like when I was younger. Now I'm beginning to like them.
Yeah, because you're maturing now.
Like yam, I don't eat yam that much before. bread. I don't like bread. Beans. Then my mom cook rice and beans. You know that normal rice and beans. You know they used to mix it with beans, rice and beans.
You'll be thinking that it's a poor man's food.
I was selecting the beans and be throwing it away.
And just eat the rice.
Just eat the rice.